So the third way of using the present simple is general facts or truths. It's something that you know, everybody knows. It's a well-known fact, okay? So for example, the earth goes around the sun. Not the sun goes around the earth like you think. The earth goes around the sun. So, ES. ES is the ending because it's the third person singular, right? The next example. The sun sets in the west, not in the east as you think. Everybody knows this, except you guys. Just kidding, okay? Let's continue. When you heat metal, it melts. Everybody knows this. This is a well-known fact. It's obvious. It's clear, alright? And the final example, water. You know what the water is, right? Not the fire, water. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Can't you understand? Just 100 degrees and boils. It boils, okay?